You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this type of meat. Some may call it some sort of ham or charcuterie. If you want to learn more food names, including from Italy and France, make sure to stay tuned. So, this comes from the Italian city of Bologna, but the name of that sausage, let's call it, in the US in particular, for some reason is pronounced bologna. Yes, hardly anything to do with the spelling, apart from the bolo at the beginning, bologna. It should be said Bologna, but that's how it is, bologna meat or bologna sandwich or bologna sausage, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.